single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing today? To my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell beside this so that you will not miss out of any of my new video. So guys, I'm just going to do a quick spring twist stroke fashion twist. So I make this crochet hair, so I decided to use it for my passion spring twist. So guys, this is shea butter and flaxseed butter that I whip, that I'm rubbing on my hair. So I really love using that whenever I want to braid my hair. It's nice. It's like it's kind of helped me to moisturize my hair, so that's why I use it. So guys, if you have not seen that video where I make this hair, please don't mind the noise at the background. This hair, so I'm going to leave the link at the description box below so that you can go and watch it, so you will know what I'm doing right here. So I'm just going to continue with that. So I'm just trying to part my hair into 4 sections so that it will be easy for me, guys. It's really hard to make your hair yourself, guys. It's really hard. So I'm just trying to make it in 4 sections so that at least it will be like easy. So that's what I'm doing. After parting it, I'm just going to use my clip to clip it out of the way. So guys, here is the shake butter and braid up kupuka, what they call it, I don't even know. So I'm just going to add that. So it's good for braiding hair. So in case you want to braid your hair, you can also use that Shea Moisture braid up gel. So at least it will help to protect your hair and also help to keep your hair not to break. So that is why I'm using that braid up gel from Shea Moisture. So guys, here is the hair. This hair is looking like. So I'm just going to separate it because I'm going to be using it for my spring stroke passion twist, in case you want to use it for your wig, your crochet. So you don't really need to separate it, so you don't need to scatter the coils. Since I'm using it for my spring stroke passion twist, so I decided to scatter the coil so that the hair will come out good. So guys, first of all braid my hair at the root. So then I will take a crochet hook to take the hair through my hair, then I will start twisting. I have the same video on my channel, so I'll also leave that link at the description box below. guys, I am done twisting all my hair. This is how my hair is looking like. The hair is not that full because I was really tired. My hand was paining me, so I just have to do like baby twist because I was really tired. So in case you want to do yours, you can make it fuller. I like full hair, but my hand was paining me, so I could not use everything. So I just try to just make it simple. So guys, this is my spring passion twist DIY spring passion twist. I made this, so I will leave the video link at the description box below, so in case you have not seen it, go and watch it. So this is the one that is remaining because I did not finish it. I was tired, so I could not finish the hair. So this is the one that is remaining. I'm going to keep it, then I will use it next time. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and click on your alert bell so that you will not miss out on any of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.